Hello, Year 9. Thank you for your full attention as I talk to you about the modern and engaging options subject IT. The exam board is OCR and the qualification is the Cambridge National Level 1 and Level 2 in IT. A mouthful, I know. This is a semi-vocational qualification, which simply means that it has elements of external written exams and elements of coursework, which is now called the Center Assessed Task. I will explain this in more detail further on. What is the study of IT? Well, IT stands for Information Technologies. It is the study of the technology used to handle data and information and to aid communication. A good way to think about IT is to think about all of the uses of digital technology that already exist to help people, to help individuals, to help businesses and society to use information, to help students use information. IT will cover any product that will store, retrieve, manipulate, transmit, or receive information electronically in a digital form. Think about IT in two ways. The traditional computer-based technologies, that's things that you do on any type of computer at home, school, or work. So this means standard office applications like spreadsheets, databases, word processing, presentations, and desktop publishing. The other way to think about it is the more recent, fast-growing range of digital communication technologies, which allow people and organizations to communicate and share information digitally. Examples of these are like smartphones, portable computers, video conferencing, virtual and augmented reality, wearable technology, cloud applications, and Internet of Things. You should choose IT if you enjoy using software and applications to design and develop products like websites or apps, for example. So you'll study 3 units in year 10 and 11. The first unit, RO50, is theory-based and is examined externally. And in this unit, you will develop your fundamental skills that will help you to be successful in your other 2 units. You will study topics like the different design tools that can be used, the principles of human-computer interfaces, the use of data and testing when creating IT solutions or products, and the uses of the Internet of Everything or the Internet of Things, and the applications of this in everyday life. RO60 is a coursework unit where you will be creating or planning, designing, creating, testing, and evaluating a spreadsheet solution to meet clients' requirements. You usually will get an assignment brief that is set by the exam board. RO70 is where you use AR to present information, that's augmented reality. Similar format to RO60, coursework based. You get an assignment brief from the exam board and you just follow that brief to meet the client's requirements, where you design, create, test, and evaluate your AR model prototype to meet the client's requirements. As previously mentioned, RO50 is a written paper and it carries 40% weighting of the final grade. It consists of a mixture of multiple choice questions, short and medium questions in section A of the paper, and short and medium answer questions in section B of the paper based off of a given scenario. But not to worry, I don't want to scare anyone off. You will have several opportunities to practice in lessons and as homework well before the exam. And the exam is terminal, which means that it will be taken in May or June of year 11 after both coursework units are banked. RO60 and RO70, as I mentioned before, are coursework tasks or coursework units, or rather they're now called center assessed tasks. And after you're taught the skills, you'll be given an assignment brief, which is usually written by the exam board. And it presents as a business which have hired you to create a solution following their requirements. And for both units of coursework, you will plan, create, test, and evaluate your solution, drawing from all the skills you have learned from studying RO50. For RO60, you demonstrate intermediate and advanced spreadsheet skills using Microsoft Excel tools. For RO70, you will use VR AR applications like CoSpaces, Adobe Aero, or XR Plus to create your augmented reality prototype. The knowledge and skills you develop from studying this course will help you to progress onto a range of academic, technical, and applied post-16 studying, including digital apprenticeships, level 3 technicals, and other level 3 qualifications and T-level qualifications. Equip yourself for success, Year 9, because IT, computer science, and programming have an ever-growing number of jobs in the UK. Thank you for your time, Year 9. I have listed a small selection of IT careers which you can discuss with your form tutor if you have time. I look forward to welcoming you on the course in September. Have a lovely day.